So let me show you how we can customize dishes for the mechanical chef. So we have a quick load a UI here where you can very quickly load and cook recipes. We also have a more detailed list of recipes, about 300 in all. We have rices, dals, and subsies of various kinds. You have millet dishes. We have regional dishes. We have purees and gravy dishes. We have non-vegetarian dishes, and you also have international dishes like pasta. So if I want to customize any of these dishes, I could pretty much just view any of the recipes, and I can customize by number of persons. So for 2 persons, it uses about half a cup of tur dal. I could instead say, no, I just want to cook for 1 person, and that's a quarter cup of tur dal. Or I could say, oh, I want to cook for 4 people, and that tells me to use a bigger vessel, and that's a whole cup of tur dal, and the palak also gets scaled accordingly. The other way I could customize the dishes is by choosing optional ingredients like onions. So that lets me add onions to the recipe, or I could, also do tomatoes. So this adds tomatoes as well.